Today, we're diving into the features and performance of the 100-inch motorized projector screen by WEI Global. This screen promises a premium viewing experience with its matte white surface and 4:3 aspect ratio, ideal for both home theaters and professional settings. Made from a blend of steel, PVC, and fabric, it's lightweight yet durable, minimizing wrinkles and ensuring a scratch-resistant surface. Installation options abound with choices for wall or ceiling mounts, making it versatile for any space. The electric pull-down mechanism adds convenience, featuring a radio frequency remote for easy operation. With a wide 160-degree viewing angle, it ensures clear visuals from every corner of the room, enhancing image sharpness and contrast. Whether you're hosting movie nights at home, delivering presentations in the office, or showcasing content in a classroom, this projector screen delivers on its promise of optimal image reproduction and versatility. It's a solid choice for anyone seeking a reliable, easy-to-install projection solution. If you're considering upgrading your viewing setup, stay tuned as we explore the pros and cons of this motorized projector screen, helping you decide if it's the best fit for your needs.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.